Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on whichever part of the world you are tuning in from. I'm so grateful and excited to welcome you to Thursday's edition of the XAU USD Live window. So today, it's going to be a follow up into our discussion this morning during our live session, and this was what we were able to come up with during the after trying to decipher what price action is likely going to be doing during the New York session today. And from what we can come up with, we have a simple setup which you can see on your screen, which is illustrating the current consolidation phase going on in the market right now, which is giving us a clue into the level of indecision going on right now. And from this structure, we can detect that participants are still not sure of where price action is likely going to be going, and as a result of this, waiting for a catalyst that will help signify where price action will be going. And one of the catalysts we are looking forward to today is the producer price index, which is coming up in about 34 minutes from now, and we're already anticipating that event. So from what we have here, what we are going to be looking at, remember we took into consideration the impulsive move that got us to this point. Well, first of all, let me congratulate everyone who has been part of this profitable journey since the beginning of the week. Now we have a situation here where we had an impulsive move right from that 1935 zone into this area, and technically, if we are looking at this from a psychological standpoint, that is considering those who had bought the gold at a very cheap price, let's say around the 1935, will definitely at one point want to be doing some profit taking activity, which of course will reflect on the chart as a retracement phase. And if we are going to be selling, then I would want to see price action drop below the $1,955.50 level to start considering selling this commodity at this point. And remember, we are not going to be getting too excited, as we want to see confirmations, of course, where price action may retest structure on our lower time frame with continued selling pressure below the zone to incite a sell-off into